Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your March, April Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared towards your pocket page scrapbooking, but it can be used for so much more. It coordinates with our Flavors of the Month kit, so it is a perfect add-on to that kit to make it go even further. It's going to include pattern paper that is cut apart, but the back side is full 12 by 12 patterns. So you can use it either way in your pockets or as the full sheet. You're also going to have a plethora of embellishments. You'll find lots of inspiration using the kit over on the Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to check out those links at the end of the video and also down below in the more information box. This month's kit, as you can see, looks very full of spring and flowers and also just some good fun collections. So these are some of my favorite collections that have just come out, and I know you're going to love them. So let's take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. First up from Chamel, we have Never Grow Up, and this paper is called Forever Young, and it has the cut apart. So there's some 4x6, some 3x4, and even some smaller ones that could be a lot of fun. This one, that's a long one, that's 8 inches by probably about an inch, maybe 3/4. So it's really cute. She's always great to do fun shapes and sizes and icons so that you can get so much use out of her papers. The back is this kind of pinwheel look, and it's a two-toned turquoise, a full branding strip. So you have the little dandelions up here, super cute paper. From Echo Park, I Love Spring, we have the 3x4 cut apart. So again, lots of different icons, things that are perfect for fillers, also for journaling or using as titles. You can also fussy cut some of these and use for embellishments. So you could cut out the tag and use it as a tag, or cut out the butterflies for little embellishments. So super cute. The back is a two-toned pink. From Photoplay, Tula and Norbert, we have the 4x6 and 3x4 cut aparts. Again, just adorable. And the back is the rainbow pattern on the aqua background. And you can see, even with just these 3 papers, if you're using the full 12x12s, how well all 3 of those coordinate together. From Pink Paisley, Fifth and Monaco, we have some 3x4, 4x6, then we have some square ones in the small size and a little bit bigger, and then another long oblong one, so super cute. The back is a diagonal rainbow striped. Another really great fun collection from Cartabella Paper is Family Night. So this is the 3x4 cut apart. And the back is a domino pattern. So you could cut that in strips for borders. It's just a lot of fun, or even cut them up individually and use for embellishments. From Fancy Pants, a cherry on top. This one has 3x4 and 4x6 cut aparts. This paper is called Cherry Cut Apart. Super cute. Love this little cluster of embellishments here. That would be a lot of fun to fussy cut out and just use as a cluster. The back is a red polka dot. From Pink Fresh Noteworthy, have another fun cut apart with different sizes. So we have probably about a 2x6 strip here, and then this one kind of splits apart. So we have a little bit shorter one and then a longer one here. And then this one, so you could cut this all together or separate those into 2. Have some small square ones. The back is a light blue grid paper. From Simple Stories I Am, we have the 4x6 cut apart. Love this because they give you both landscape and portrait ones, so a lot of fun. Again, fussy cut that for some embellishments. Super cute. And the back is a turquoise geometric design. So one more look at all the pattern paper. So you can see, if you're using this as an add-on for your Flavors of the Month, you have so many more paper options. For the embellishments from I Love Spring and Echo Park, we have the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. We have this butterfly border strip and a scalloped border in the teal checked. Just super cute. Just love the little banner here. Lots of little word labels. From Chamel's Never Grow Up, we have half of the 6 by 12 sticker sheet. So these will vary, but this is the one I got. I have some fish and snails and flowers. Love the little journaling spot here and lots of word embellishments. For Tula and Norbert, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So super cute. And of course, those will match all of the collections. From Fifth and Monaco, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So these will vary as well. Super cute. I love the wood grain heart here and butterflies. From the Cartabella Family Night, you're going to get half a pack of enamel dots. So you get some really great primary colors there. For Pink Fresh and Noteworthy, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers, so these will vary as well, but this is the half that I got. Super cute. Love the colors in this collection. This makes me happy, so I have lots of layouts and stories to tell about things that make me happy. And then from the Cherry on Top collection from Fancy Pants, you're going to get half a pack of the tags, so these will vary. Let me get a little spot here. You also are going to get some twine to put in with them. So lots of little word pieces and then tags. So you can use those for extra journaling spots and embellishments. And then to coordinate with the Simple Stories I Am collection, you're going to get these foam alphabet stickers. These are kind of a light blue glitter. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the size. They're small, so you can do really long titles and things. These are from Amy Tangerine, Picnic in the Park. So, but they will coordinate well with just about all of the collections, I believe, here. So that is a look at the Shots of Life kit. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to check out what the design team's doing, as well as all the other kits available. And don't forget to check out the store, because there's lots of individual items available in the store that you can pick up and have shipped with your kits for no extra cost. So that's a great deal. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.